How to set up and install Xfinity Gateway. So if you just received an Xfinity Gateway and want to set up without a technician, this walkthrough will take you from unboxing to fully activated Wi-Fi step by step. Inside the self-install kit, you'll see the gateway, the power adapter, a coax cable, and sometimes an Ethernet cable. Make sure your home has a working coax outlet. If more than one is available, use the one closest to where you want the router placed. Then take the coax cable and screw it on the wall outlet, and then connect the other end to the back of the gateway. Hand tighten it, no tools needed. Plug in the power cable and wait. The lights on the front will flash while the modem boots. This usually takes 3 to 5 minutes, so don't unplug it during the process. Then on your phone, install the Xfinity app from the App Store or Google Play. Open it, sign in with your Comcast account, and the app will automatically detect the new gateway. Then tap on Start Activation, follow the on-screen steps, and wait until the app confirms the modem is online. Once the activation is complete, the app will prompt you to create your Wi-Fi name and password. Choose something unique, especially if you live in an apartment building. You can also customize guest networks and parental controls later through the app. That's pretty much everything you need to know to fully set up and install your Xfinity Gateway. If you want more tutorials on fixing slow speeds, improving Wi-Fi range, etc., let us know in the comments below, and of course like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.